Great service with top facilities and environment. Best service ever and highly recommended for family. Love the kitchen and room. Feel like home. Very comfortable. Near to hospital, public transportation, gas station, city center, mosque, and shops. Enjoy to cook, complete house and kitchen equipment. Very nice for family trip. A cozy and very spacious 2-bedroom 2-bathroom apartment in Kota Kinabalu. The apartment has a living and dining area, kitchen, laundry area and balcony. Conveniently located to get to anywhere in Kota Kinabalu. A fully equipped kitchen with a stove, cooking utensils, pot, pan, plates, bowls, cups, cutleries, fridge, microwave and kettle. Washing machine provided in your very own laundry area.All linens, towels, shampoo, shower gel provided along with an iron and ironing board.Free unlimited Wi-Fi throughout the entire apartment. Flat screen TV and 100 of TV channels and movies to choose from. Free shaded parking spot provided. Public transport is just at the entrance of property. Uber and Grab available in the area.